हर रोज नए खुलासे हो रहे हैं सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस में. We bring you the top 5 updates in the case. First update. CBI files its FIR and takes the first step to investigating Sushant's demise. After receiving the nod from central government, the Central Bureau of Investigation has lodged an FIR against Riya Chakraborty, Samuel Miranda and others involved in the case.
What had initially seemed like an open and shut case of a troubled celebrity's demise is now becoming murky and a sinister mystery, with unanswered questions emerging every day to only create more doubts and suspicions. The CBI has now taken over the case and filed an FIR naming 6 people in it. But still, meanwhile, questions like torn diary pages of Sushant and missing keys and friends who know a little about Sushant continue to shroud the case in intrigue.
Second update. Siddharth Pitani talks about the mystery of the missing key. क्यों दरवाजा तोड़ा नहीं गया? आखिर डुप्लीकेट चाबी कहां गुम हो गई? क्यों 2 घंटे चाबी बनाने वाले का इंतजार किया? These are the many questions being posed to Sushant's associate and flatmate Siddharth Pitani, who was allegedly amongst the first persons to discover Sushant after his demise.
Ma'am, the only reason we sent this thing was Sushant wanted over a private man. He wanted his privacy.
Siddharth has said in his defense that in spite of their best efforts, they were not able to break the door or find the duplicate key, because of which a keymaker had to be called. The keymaker was sent away by Siddharth and Dipesh, who also lived in the apartment, after he opened the door to allegedly protect Sushant's privacy. Lekin unfortunately, by then it was too late and the actor was no more. Third update. There are now reports that evidence tampering may have occurred in the Sushant Singh Rajput case after Times Now reported that it had learned that crucial pages from Sushant's personal diary were allegedly ripped off. When were they ripped off and by whom is still under investigation. Fourth update. Times Now has asked Siddharth Pitani about the missing pages from the diary and whether he knew anything about them. Siddharth has denied tearing the pages and also claims that contrary to Sushant's sister's statements, he did not find any torn pages in the room. Siddharth has also added that he didn't know what Sushant wrote in his diaries and it was personal, but that a whole stack of diaries was taken away by the Mumbai police.
No, ma'am, I did not see any torn pages, but there were books with torn pages inside them also. There was a stack of books which we have submitted.
Fifth update. Producer Ramesh Taurani has shared that he had given Sushant a film narration call before his demise. Mr. Taurani has however said that he couldn't be sure about the actor's state of mind since he had only spoken on the phone. He added that the shooting for the film was to start at the end of the year and that the late actor didn't speak to him about any other matter during their call. New developments and drama continue to deepen the mystery around the case, and we will keep giving you all the updates as we get them.